Infinite Supreme Peace, Param Shanti. Brahma Ma says, what I am saying to the children is to get lost in the Supreme Light. And I am also saying to myself that when we become the form of Supreme Light, then the earth will also become of Supreme Light. Whatever is visible through these eyes, everything will disappear. It will not be visible. Only the Supreme Light will be visible. How good it is! What will be visible? Supreme Light will be visible. And whatever is visible through these eyes, the illusion, nothing will be visible. So I am telling the children what I have written. The children are sitting far away, but they are able to listen to my voice, right? So what have I written? I have not written anything. I have not written anything. Bapuji has made me write. Do you understand? Bapuji has made me write. So get lost in the Supreme Light and immerse yourself in the Supreme Light. Then the earth will also become of Supreme Light. Whatever is visible through these eyes, nothing will be visible. It will disappear. So what will be visible? Only the Supreme Light will be visible. So how will the Supreme Light be? Just like milk, as white as milk, there will be white light visible all around. What will be visible in it? बेहद के बेहद की परम 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 महाशांति है. Infinite supreme peace will be present in it. Supreme peace will be there. So this Maya, the Maya that is visible, which we are seeing, the illusion, this illusion that is visible will not be there. Whatever is visible, it is all an illusion. It will not be there. Supreme light will be there all around. That day is going to come soon. There is no delay now. The destination is going to come. We will reach the destination. Children, have some courage. Put strength into your thoughts and vibrations. Like the saying goes, Zor laga ke Aisha, which means apply all your energy as a team. Now the time is such, if you want to go to the happy world soon, then you must put strength into your thoughts and vibrations. Everyone puts strength. Little by little, we will put strength. Then we will cross all the hurdles. Imagine that you have gone into the ocean of milk, which is filled with ocean of supreme peace. We have to think it like this. Like in the ocean of milk, we went into it. And without supreme light, nothing else will be seen. Nothing other than supreme light will be visible. Param Shanti.